everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Zuppa Toscana, which means Tuscan soup. And maybe you've had it before at Olive Garden, and so I'm going to recreate it here at home so you can make it too. Our ingredients are heavy whipping cream, flour, salt and pepper. I picked out mild sausage because that's what we prefer, but you could certainly use hot. Chicken broth, spinach, I've got my cooked bacon all ready to go, and check out these potatoes that I got, which means no peeling and no cutting, garlic, and onion, and then of course we have to have bread with our soup. We're going to start with our onion, chopping that as finely as you like it. And we'll do our garlic. Now it calls for 2 cloves of garlic. These are small, so I'm doing 3. And that's it, perfect right there. All right, we're gonna brown our sausage. So we want to cook it completely, and we want it to be in the consistency of crumbles. How's that? So one thing you want to remember is when you're cooking your sausage, save whatever's left in the pan. Any of the oil, the grease, because you're going to use that for cooking your onions and your garlic. I've lowered the temperature. The sausage is cooked, and I'm going to put it in here to drain any remaining fat. Now, if you don't have much fat left in your pan, which it looks like I probably won't, you can add oil, you can add butter. I'm going to add a little ghee. Just so I can cook my onions and garlic. Now I'm going to add my onions. Using my bench scraper. So cook the onions first, then you come back and get the garlic. We just want them to be translucent, and now we're going to add the garlic. We're going to go into our pan, our pot, for our soup. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. That's going to help thicken up our soup. All right, now we're going to add our chicken broth. And we're going to keep stirring as we're adding the broth. We want to make sure that flour is incorporated. Now we're gonna add our potatoes. I didn't have to cut them, I didn't have to peel them. Just gotta be careful we don't splash them. And we're gonna let these come up to a boil. Now, if you weren't able to get something like these, then you would get 4 large russet potatoes. Ooh, it did work. Let's see how much is left. I'll do the rest of that. Perfect. I got another one just in case. But it should have worked. Next, we're adding our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Stirring. Now we're adding our sausage, which is cooked and drained. Now we only need half a bag, but of course you can add more if you want to, because we all know it's going to wilt down. There we go. Oh my gosh, some of those pieces are huge. That's all right, they're gonna wilt down. Now I did decide to cut some of the potatoes because some of the potatoes were bigger than others. Some were really small and others were sort of big. So I did take a few minutes and take the potatoes out and cut some of them. Okay, this is where we're gonna taste it and see if it needs any more salt. It definitely needs pepper because we haven't put anything in, but we're going to see if it needs any salt. Zuppa Toscana, or Tuscan soup. Ready to try it?
Yes, I am.
All right.
I love that it's soup weather outside. I've got bacon in mine. Did you put bacon in yours?
Yes, I did. I did put bacon. Yes, so you want to make sure you have crumbled up bacon, whether you do it yourself or buy it in a package. Mmm. Oh man.
It's hot.
It's hot. Even though we let it cool for a few minutes.
I think it's delicious.
Oh, it's really good.
It'll probably be spectacular tomorrow when
yeah, I totally agree.
everything absorbs and melds in.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. See, so you can make this yourself. Didn't take long. I even went to the store today, made it this afternoon, and now we're having it. So it's easy. So any thoughts? Any changes?
No, I like it.
I'd cut the potatoes. That's one thing. I was all excited. Some of the potatoes were really small, and then I found out some were big. So yeah, I'd cut them for sure.
But definitely delicious.
But otherwise, that is so good. It's just too hot to eat. And of course, with bread, you know.
All right, so we're going to sign off and let this cool a little bit and then dig in.
So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again real soon with another great recipe. Bye.